Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build AI quizzes for lead generation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to build AI quizzes for lead generation from Typeform AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Typeform. So once you go to Typeform, all you gotta do now is simply tap it open. After you can tap it open, you need to simply start a new form with AI. You need to simply tap on create a form with AI, and once you have done this, you need to select the quiz type. So you need to choose a quiz template or prompt the AI for specific goals, including lead qualification, product recommendation, and personality quiz. Now you need to provide a prompt to give AI the details about your business. After this, you can customize and optimize the prompt quiz as well. So you can add a welcome screen, integrate your brand, refine questions, or use your partial submit points. You can also implement lead capture and automation and analyze and optimize for better results. So this is how you can simply build an AI quiz for lead generation by the help of Typeform AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.